Hello, my name is Sally Saleh and I'm a chief trainer at Emtees Academy. Last video we talked about كيف الحال and the answer was أنا بخير. And I promised you to teach you how to express your feelings in Arabic, not only saying I'm safe, which is أنا بخير. So today we'll learn about that. Are you ready? Let's get started. So if you are very happy and you want to express that, you need to say أنا سعيد. So again, I want you to pay attention for the letter عين, ع. أنا سعيد. It means I'm happy, but this is for guys or male. We need now to talk about girls or female. We say أنا سعيدة. So this letter at the end, which is تا مربوطة, it makes the feminine, it gives the feminine feature. So أنا سعيد, أنا سعيدة. This is to say I'm happy. Now if you are sad, so you want to express that, you need to say أنا حزين, حزين, أنا حزينة. The first one is for male, the second one is for female. أنا حزين, أنا حزينة. Now if you are angry and you also want to express it, you need to say أنا غاضب. Or for female, again we need to add this تا مربوطة, which pronounced like only. أنا غاضبة. أنا غاضب. أنا غاضبة. This means I'm angry. And the last one which we have taken before, I want to remind you, which is أنا بخير. So to recap now, we have the first one, أنا سعيد, أنا سعيدة for female, أنا حزين, أنا حزينة, أنا غاضب, أنا غاضبة, أنا بخير. So in this video we have learned how to express our emotions. Emotions mean مشاعر. مشاعرنا, our emotions. Next video, I will teach you how to count till 10, from 0 to 10, and also I will relate them with the days of the week. Because in Arabic, the numbers are related somehow to the days of the week, so it will be very easy for us if we learn to count till 10 to know how to mention the days of the week. So stay tuned. I will see you next video. Bye bye.
Emtees Academy.